All right, ladies, this is the Bagsmart Travel Jewelry Organizer Roll Foldable Jewelry Case. Okay, this thing has been, I'm so grateful for this thing for so many trips now. We all know that when you pack your necklaces, your bracelets, they're going to get all tangled. Even if you put them in separate little containers, little bags, they're going to get tangled. This thing right here has a spot for everything. As you can see, it's going to hold necklaces. Not only is it going to hold it with this little clip, but it's got a strap here and it's going to fit inside here to help keep it from getting tangled up. You're also going to have zipper pockets for the bigger necklaces, the costume jewelry, as I like to call it, the ones that are going to be bold and make a statement. Those type of necklaces are right here. Again, not tangled. Just took this on a trip to New Orleans and it worked out fabulously. What I love over here, okay? You're going to have these different sets. This one you can use for rings. What did I also use it for? Hoop earrings. You can put them right on there and it holds them. This side I use for my bracelets. As you can tell here, you just unclip it and then you take them off and wear them. This next one here is really cool, and I have yet to use it. It's got the little holes in it. This is where you're going to put your earrings. Hello, it's going to keep your earrings together. You got another little pocket here for anything that you need, and then you've got another pocket here. And once you unzip it, you've got this little space right here. You can put anything you want in there. This thing has been so helpful when I've been traveling lately. I can't recommend this product enough.